So, welcome to a new episode of Pussy Racing Vlogs. I'm William, and today's video I've got something in the bag because I'll be busy doing my wheels up because I've got them. I'm gonna paint them white and I'll show them to you. Check this. So let's start off with cleaning the wheel with some brake cleaner. After that, tackling it with the wire wheel. Look at the first wheel. Looks absolutely brilliant. Yeah, it's not perfect because now the shed roof is not that clean, so it has little impurities in it, but that doesn't matter. It's going to get redone in the future anyway. But for now, I'm very happy, and yeah, time to do the next one. So in the back here, I have my wheels and tires. So time to get them mounted. Gelukkig maakt het in mijn geval niet zoveel uit. Net zo snel als dit. after mounting the tires, check this out. Look at that, these are the rear wheels. Fitment is actually pretty good. It's actually really good. Check it out. Of course, you've already seen this in the fitment video I made, but here are the front wheels. Already getting a bit dusty, but I had Dura-Days are not on the car right now because they're a little bit too big. So I need these to get it to the car to steer, because as you see, I actually moved the car because some bad news, the rear axle is shot of this. Actually, this wheel over here is on toe out, and that's not supposed to be that way, because you can, let's see, they have like 2 fingers here, doesn't even fit, and this one is slightly better. And if you look here and here, it's also a bit different. But yeah, I'm just going to buy a new rear axle, but I'm going to pull it and see what's up. Maybe it's fixable, but I don't think it is. But that's a bit distracted. But the wheels came out great. And the tires I'm using are, at the front are Nankang's NS20s. And the rears, they are also Nankang's. They are AS2 pluses. These are 245s, 45 16s, and these are, well, 225s, 45s, 16s. These are the cheapest tires I could find with this size, because they will be replaced with slicks later on, or semi-slicks, but for now these will do fine for testing. So yeah, and on that note, that's the end of this episode. I want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Laters.
So thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And talking about more, you can click on one of these 2 videos to see some more from the channel. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Laters.